going to start off by rinsing the rice and getting rid of the excess starch. And now we're going to toast the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes using a little coconut oil. Now we're going to transfer the rice into a medium pot. Add your coconut milk. Once your coconut milk comes to a boil, you want to cover it. Turn the heat down, let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And you want to monitor it from time to time so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Cut up all your vegetables. In a medium saucepan, you want to heat up some oil of your choice. In this video, I use coconut oil. You're going to saute your vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes. In a medium saucepan, we're going to heat up some coconut oil, add your chickpeas, and add all your seasonings. You're going to add onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper, some chili powder, and some Himalayan salt. We're going to stir it up real good, let it roast for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in your shaved almonds and your coconut flakes, and you're going to let this roast for an additional 3 to 4 minutes.